All right, Jeff, here's another one of your 43rd scale models. This is a Ford Crown Vic, obviously. Kind of a weird green color. I guess that was one of the older Ohio State Police Highway Patrol cars. Obviously older, since this is probably based on a 99 or 2000 era Crown Vic with like Grand Marquis wheels on it. But anyway, it's Road Champs. Flashing headlights. I think we did. I'm sorry, I think this has strobes all the way around. It's pretty sad that I can't remember that. Strobes all the way around on this one. Strobe headlights, taillights, red and blue strobe light bar. I say that they're going to be flashing. I probably screwed this all up. It's ridiculous that I can't remember what I put in these things. But anyway, I mean, I just built it a little bit ago. I'm going to put the power to it. Oh, they're flashing. Flashing headlights. Get a red and blue strobe light bar. I keep clearing my throat because I got allergies issue going on. Flashing tail lights. And you can spin this back around. You have your flashing headlights as well. So Ohio State Patrol, again, 43rd scale Road Champs model with this one. Now get your other ones up here in a second. I have some 3 of them. I think you're going to make it the Cleveland PD Crown Vic. So I'll get those up for you here in just a little bit. Thank you very much.